This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about baking trays, specifically these Metlux baking sheets. And we have three sizes here: the full sheet tray, which is 26 inches by 18, the half, which is 18 by 13, and the quarter, which is 13 by 9. These are crafted from a sturdy premium aluminum to give you a nice, even heating. It's going to be perfect, especially for delicate baked goods. They feature a lovely rolled rim that helps to prevent warping, especially in the oven when you get up to high temperatures, making them ideal for baking and heating up a variety of different things. So I love the rolled rims personally, because if you've ever had a flat sheet tray without the sides and that rolled rim, you know that they're going to be prone to warping in the oven. And also when you go to pull things out or move things around, things can slide off your trays. Those edges are going to keep all your lovely baked goods on your trays, in addition to cooking them nice and evenly and giving you great, perfect things like cookies, brownies, or whatever. It's going to keep them in place as well, which is fantastic. So they've got a few other things that you can do with them, and I personally love using these kinds of trays, especially for cookie projects. If you don't have things like a speed rack, and maybe you're a home baker, you can actually cross stack the trays while you're working. So if you have a bunch of the same size, you can set them up at right angles to each other and stack them up in little piles while you're working, which is also great too for cooling. I know a lot of times if people are baking, especially doing large projects, you might be moving things in and out of the oven quickly, and being able to cross stack items, allow for some airflow, and allow things like that massive recipe of maybe oatmeal raisin cookies you baked to cool quickly is a fantastic feature as well. So you can bake a variety of things in these on top of that. And so things like sheet cakes, these are a fantastic option for them. You can just line them with parchment, and those sides will give you nice little layers of cake to work with. Brownies, you can do things like bar cookies and macaron and a variety of other pastries, in addition to things like cookies. But they're also going to be great for roasting. So whether it's potatoes, like starches, vegetables, or even proteins, these are going to be fantastic for restaurants as well, for heating up or reheating items during service. The aluminum provides for an even heat distribution for cooking of sensitive items. These style of trays are great for using in combination with cooling racks or baking racks, whatever you want to call them. So they're going to catch crumbs while items cool, or you can actually use them in combination with those racks for doing things like toasting. I especially love these for biscotti. I'll just pop a rack on there, throw my slices down, and then they're great for getting that nice even toast on both sides, which is fantastic. They come in multiple sizes, meaning you can find the perfect fit for any task and for your oven and your rack space. So whatever you have available, you can order the sizes that you need, which is a great thing. They're safe to use in the freezer, fridge, and oven, and can also be used in the dishwasher, which makes cleanup a breeze as well. These trays can also be used for display, so they're great to just put out a selection of treats on, slide them either on top or in your display counter, making them easy to reload, to grab and access if you're packing up orders for customers, and to show off your treats on a beautiful surface. They're also great, especially the small ones, for serving meals. Some of my favorite barbecue places just line these with paper and put out their portions of proteins, things like wings, sides, etc. And it's a great, easy to carry tray to take out to tables, and it's also easy to clean up afterwards. So these are fantastic for commercial kitchens for all kinds of tasks, and they're also great for home chefs and professional cooks that are looking for professional grade products.